Hello, this is B Math Hero, and today I'm doing a math video about optional math of class 10, which is of unit algebra, unit first. And this topic I'm going to cover up in this video. I'm going to cover up about domain, right? And range and under codomain. We'll do this three topic, right? The topic garincha, and then we'll go with another topic after this video. And this is I'm doing this मैले किन गरेको छु because अर्को जुन भिडियो हामीले गर्न लाउँछौँ in that video we need this topic है यो टपिकको बारेमा ज्ञान हुनुपर्छ you should have the knowledge of this one, so that's why we are doing that. And the video will be given in I button, which is in the right hand side, and also in the description box. So what is domain? So domain, all the x component of the function is called the domain. We'll look under this. We'll just look after the definition at first, right? Domain के हो? Domain भनेको सबै x component हो कुनै पनि एउटा function को. What is range then? All the y component, which is the image of element of A, is called range. Right? All the y component. Before that, range जानु भन्दा पहिला के छ? We'll try to know codomain also. All the y component of a function is called range. Right? Yeah, all the x component is called the domain, while all the y component is called the codomain. Look at the name, similarity again, they are similar to each other. So that's why don't be confused with domain and codomain. Either domain is x component while codomain is y component, and all the x component and all the y component one number. Now the difference between now what will be confused here, right? हामी के confused about range र codomain. Many of the students become confused in these two terms. So remember, all the y component, which is the image of element of B, okay, and we have got function, and in function we have got two set, that is A and B, and they are connected with each other. Again, every element of A is connected with unique element of B. That means के हुन्छ in B, A is connected with B, and जुन चाहिँ एलिमेन्ट ओके न जुन चाहिँ एलिमेन्ट बी को एसँग कनेक्ट भइरहेछ नि त्यो सबै एलिमेन्ट के हो, द्याट इज अ एलिमेन्ट अफ रेन्ज भनेर बुझिन्छ है त. सो इफ यु डोन्ट अन्डरस्टुड देन नो प्रब्लम, विल गो विथ द example also. So we have got the example. First here we have got set A 1 2 3 and set B 4 5 6 and 7. This is a function. If you don't know what is function, then you can check out my previous video. It will be given in the description box. So here we have been given 1 associated with the unique element, 2 also is associated with the unique element 5, and 3 also with the unique element 6. For that we have known the definition of domain, that all the x component of function is called a domain. What is x component? This which is on the left hand side, this set A is the x component of the function. So what are the x component? It is 1 2 and 3. 1 2 and 3. Similarly, we have known the codomain. What is codomain? All the y component of a function is called codomain. So yeah, we can see that codomain is equal to 4 5 6 and 7. Yeah, either that means all the y component. 4 is also the component of B, 5 is also the component of B, 6 is also the component of B, 7 not connected with A साथ जोड़े ऐसे ना, but still it is a component of B. B का एक component नहीं हो, therefore we should also include this under B. This 7 is also the y component of B. Similarly, range means all the y component which is the image of element of A, that we are doing here. Image 1 को image के बाद it is 4. Okay, so 4 is the range. 2 को image कति बाद it is 5. So okay, 5 is the range. Similar 3 के element के बाद 3 को image के बाद it is 6. So 6 is the range. But 7 कुनै को image हो त, it is not connected with anything in the A, होइन A मा केही एलिमेन्ट छ पनि कनेक्टेड छैन, त्यही भएर 7 is not a range. It doesn't come under range. It is excluded from that. Similarly, in the second example, we have got another function. I have taken another function different from this, from the first one. यसमा के छ, A is connected with D, B connected with D, and C connected with E, where F is an extra element. So yeah, domain is equals to, now look at it, domain is equals to ABC, all the x component. Okay, and I think this won't be a confusion for you, and confusion नपर्ने यसमा सबै x component सबै हुन्छ हैन. मानौ के हुन्छ, A मा भएको सबै भन्दिम है त, we can tell A मा भएको सबै के हो, that is the domain है. In this function, we are talking about function value, not about relation. Relation is different. Now here, codomain codomain is equals to, we know that all the y component of B is D पनि यो E पनि यो. Similarly F के चाहिँ कनेक्टेड नभए पनि इट इज स्टिल द y component है, यो y component नै हो. त्यो भएर codomain is equals to DEF while range is equal to D. किन त बिकज D and E आर द ओन्ली एलिमेन्ट अफ B. D र E मात्रै हो जुन चाहिँ के छ, जुन चाहिँ A सँग कनेक्टेड भएर बसिरहेको छ है. F is not connected, so that's why के भयो, F is not a range भन्नु पर्यो. Now we'll go with another last example. We have got A and B. It is a function. Let me do a function, right? Sin F. So 7, 8, 9, same type of figure, but we have got a little bit difference. Just to show you a little bit uniqueness. 10, 11. Okay, domain all the x component 7, 8, and 9. Codomain is 10, 11. Okay, all the y component. Similar range. Look at all the range. Sorry, all the codomain has is the image of domain. 7 को image के 10 छ, 8 को image 10 छ, 9 को image 11 छ. So it doesn't have got extra element here. त्यही भएर के भयो, codomain and range are equal here, because it doesn't have got the extra element. So now after knowing this, we have got to work to find out the domain, codomain and range. And you can give it in the comment box, or you can send me in Facebook, Instagram link, which will be given in the description box. Right then. So this was for today, and thank you for looking at it. Bye.